Hi my friends, I'm eating a quick fix meal. Tomato soup and an egg. Stay tuned. Yeah, it's good. Oh, I love a good tomato soup, do you? Spiced just right. It's not the soup spoon I wanted, but I didn't want to do any more dishes today. Silly me. Gonna put my egg in there now. That egg with the stamp. Yeah. Oh my God. Raw. Raw. I wish I could roll that R. Maybe I can someday. Oh my God. I hope I'm in the camera. Oh. I hope I don't drop. Oh, it dropped, but it didn't break. So, let's see. Pizza Magengala. That's what my father would say. Fiddling around like that. Get some. Ha! Pizza Magengala. So delicious, a little slimy. But I figured that they put, don't they make eggnog with raw egg? Or do they not use the egg white? I haven't had enough protein. I'm gonna put another one in there. Oh, Butler! Oh, thank you, Butler. Another egg. Exactly. They're gonna think she's losing it, isn't she? I love cooking on the table where I eat. Thank you, Butler. Oh. Where is it? Oh, look. Don't do what I do. Because you can get salmonella vergifting, I guess. I really thought that you always had to refrigerate eggs and all. You don't. In Germany we keep them at room temperature. I've always refrigerated my eggs though. Do you refrigerate your eggs? Butler! Can I have my Vogel. I like that tomato soup. Red like a tomato, without coloring, just tomatoes. With basil. Hold on. Jeder Mensch hat seinen Vogel. That's right.